In friends, in this video we are going to discuss about georeferencing. How we do georeferencing in QGIS. Mm, for georeferencing, our first step is to go to the layer option. From here, we have to import the raster data. Raster data in raster layer, we have to import that image which you want to do georeferenced. I have already downloaded an image of Jammu and Kashmir. Let it scroll it down. Sorry. This is the image which I have already downloaded and edited from here, and this image is shown here. When this image is shown, after that I have added the Google Map from this OpenStreet OSM, and from this I have to edit the Google Map. Let's check it. Here the Google Map has been added. This is the Google Map which you have added here. You are seeing that Jammu and Kashmir images showing out of the world map because this is not georeferenced image, and it will show the images out of the map. After when we complete the georeferenced of this image, after completing the georeferencing, the image will be exact on the point where the Jammu and Kashmir is located. When we done the georeferencing, after that it will be exactly on that point where we are located. Now our next step is to go to the layer, and from here go to the georeferencer. I have clicked the georeferencer. This type of interface is open in front of you. For this, you have to go to the open raster, and open raster. After that, you have to edit the same image which you have already added. This type of interface, this type of circle will be shown. Here for us we have the 3 to 4 important things which we needed. This button is called start georeferencing. This is called, this is where we delete the GCP points. In it we have to select the GCP points. We have minimum selected 4 GCP points on our map. Let's tell you how to add the GCP points. This option is delete GCP point, and this is for move GCP point, and this one is for add GCP point. When we click here, this type of shown. If you click here, GCP point will delete it. This type of, first of all, we select the GCP point, will be here. Now then go to the from map canva. After going to the map canva, this image will on our Google, we have shown the the GCP point which we have pointed on our image should be exact on the map where we wanted to do georeference. This was the point where we do georeference. Now our next step is to next is this one. Let's take this one. Next GCP point will be this one, and from map canvas here we have chosen it approximately this point. Zoom it out, zoom it, this point. Okay, now our third GCP point will be this one. Go to GCP point, approximately we have selected this point. Now our fourth GCP point will be where we will choose it one, that it be here from map canvas. we have selected this point approximately at this point. Then we have selected our 4 GCP points. Now our next step is to go to the transformation setting. After clicking on the transformation setting, linear, and this will be 3264, and this one same, and go to linear, and then here you have to select it the EPSG point is the 3264, and then go to OK, and from here just click start georeferencing. This will show here that georeferencing has been successfully done, and cut it from here. Now zoom out. You will see the image which was out of the world map. Now the after georeferencing, this image is exactly on the map of India, and the Jammu and Kashmir located on this. This is exact map of India, Jammu and Kashmir, which we have georeferenced. This is a step in which we have done the georeferencing. This is the way how we have done the georeferencing in QGIS. Now let us check it after decreasing its transparency, so that we will see the map below it. For this, go to the right click on the Jammu and Kashmir image, then go to the properties. From here we will go to the transparency. Let's reduce it to 41. Go to apply and OK. This is the image. You will see the georeferenced image has been exactly put it on the image Jammu and Kashmir boundaries. There is it is showing little bit distortion on it because we have taken GCP points which have some error, but it's not too much error. So this is the way how we do the georeferencing from QGIS. This is this type of georeferencing is known as the image to map georeferencing. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hopefully this video will help you for solving your problem. Thank you very much. Let's meet in next video with a new idea.